think that's a tornado.
Yep, that's a tornado.
This just got forward too.
Yeah. Watching the funnel cloud right here.
Yep.
Hard to tell if it's on the ground or not.
Yeah, we can't tell from here, but it's gonna keep coming this way. Look at a clear view.
It's getting a little bigger in its size. Fine, you can do it. It's dropping back down again. I see it going pretty far down
Oh,
now.
that's probably on the ground. That has to be close if not.
I'll say it is.
That could be a big one.
Wow, that is unbelievable. That is unbelievable, folks.
Holy moly. This is...
Now it comes in so clear. God damn. Pretty good guys.
Yeah, actually, you can.
Is this what, tornado number 7 for us?
Yes.
7 or 8.
It's not dying.
It's continuing.
We're good.
That probably is on the ground.
I'm gonna say that's pretty close.
Yeah, no. There's times where you have to go, that's a tornado. I've seen a lot of funnels. We've seen funnels. That's not it.
It's
yeah,
way
that's
down
it.
now.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
There it goes. See the dust coming up from the ground now.
Yeah, it's down.
This is amazing. Happy, happy, happy. Yeah, there's a good reason why I'm passing Happy, Texas. This is it. Carried along with us. I can see that even without my glasses.
Oh, right there, if you wondered, it's down now for sure.
Sure. It's 100% down over here.
I think I hear you.
No, that's this.
There's the trees.
You guys want to